Hello guys, in this video, we'll be completing the challenge from the unit Create a tab for the review object. This is from the unit Customize the user interface for a recruiting app. Let's split our screen with Trailhead Playground and get started. So our first task is to create a reviews tab. To do that, let's jump into our settings. Once we are in our settings window, let's search for tabs using the quick find. Click on New Custom Object Tabs. Here our object is going to be Review, and our tab style is Thermometer. Let's click on Search and let's use the search functionality. Yeah, Thermometer, and click on Next. Let's leave the profile as is and go for Next. Here, let's deselect the Include tab and select App and Tab to Users. That's selected by default, so let's go ahead and save it. So we have created a custom review tab. The next thing we are going to do is customize what users see by reordering the tabs for the recruiting app. So from setup, let's go for App Manager. And let's search for recruiting entry and let's go to Edit. Here, let's go to Navigation Items, and from the available item list, hold Control or Command and select Job Posting Sites and Reviews. Okay, let's add job posting sites and reviews to the available items list. So let's search for job posting sites. Let's add it, and the next one is reviews. You can add both of them simultaneously by holding the Control or Command button. Now in the selected item section, let's rearrange the tabs. First one is Homes, and the second one must be Position. Okay, let's use this. The third one must be Candidates. Fourth is Job Applications. Fifth is Interviewers. Next is Reviews. Let's move Reviews below Interviewers. Followed by Interviewers is Job Posting Sites. Followed by Reports, Dashboards and Chatter. Once you've done, let's go ahead and save it. And let's click on Back button. Alright, we have done everything in this challenge. We have created a custom tab review object and we have rearranged the order of navigation. So let's check if you've done everything right in this challenge. That's perfect. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.